Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin now with the essentials. Equip HP Regen and ATB boosting materia, and one support that helps stagger. Once set, pick accessories that cut status vulnerability and raise max HP by 10 to 20%. Immediately engage with ranged harassment to probe the camp's patrol routes and attack windows. This reveals which enemies respond to multi-hit combos versus heavy hits. While you probe, conserve big cooldowns for predictable group pulls. Make sure to note who heals and who interrupts so you can plan your second action. Once you commit, prioritize controlling high-threat enemies by stunning or isolating 1 to 2 targets. This prevents area panic. While doing that, execute stagger combos by alternating quick attacks with a single heavy finisher each cycle to build stagger efficiently. Make sure to rotate healing responsibilities. Set one character to auto-heal and perform manual heals every 20 to 30 seconds to top off health. As you work through enemy waves, adapt your finisher, timing to interrupt enemy casts. This is how you maintain tempo and reduce damage taken. You close the fight by reserving burst skills and limit type abilities for the final wave, concentrating all DPS on the remaining boss or elite target. Make sure to trigger defensive cooldowns and pop healing items when any party member falls below 30% HP. If you find repeated failure, slow your pulls, engage fewer enemies at once, and swap materia toward extra defense or stronger regen. This adjustment buys time to learn attack patterns. Once comfortable, restore tempo and finish decisively with your saved burst tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.